Hello everyone, in this video today I have a question for you. Is your crypto strategy causing you losses? That is the big question I want you to answer in this video today. Your crypto strategy, is it causing you losses or is making you to gain? Why many traders fail and how you can fix it. The crypto market is a land of opportunity but also of risk. While stories of overnight millionaires flood the internet, many others face a harsher reality: consistent losses, stress, and frustration. If your crypto journey feels more like a sinking ship than a rocket to the moon, it's time to ask a hard question. Is your crypto strategy causing you losses? And I'm telling you, many people will not come out to tell us that their crypto strategy is causing them losses. Just a few will tell us that their crypto strategy is causing them losses. And many are losing in the crypto space, many are losing in the forex space, many are losing in the stock market phases. But we only hear these success stories online. Now, let's break down the possible reasons why and what you can do to start winning again. Number one, you are chasing hype instead of strategy. Following the crowd is one of the most common pitfalls. If your decisions are based on influencer tweets, viral YouTube videos, Telegram pump and dump groups, FOMO, fear of missing out, then you are not investing, you are gambling. What then is the solution? Do your own research, look at fundamentals, and then project utility. Look at the tokenomics, the team behind the project, and real community engagement. Create a watch list and enter trades based on logic, not based on emotion. And then if you are trading, whether forex, whether crypto, and you make a profit, take a break. If you make a loss, take a break. Please, that is a good strategy. Take a break so that you cool down from the profit, cool down from the loss before you enter another trade on a neutral level. Now, you have no clear trading plan. Now, jumping in and out of coins without a defined entry and exit plan is like driving blindfolded. I'm telling you, I've been there before. Trading forex, and making losses. One of the things that caused me losses is that I blew accounts is because I do not have stop loss. Stop loss. Every trade you place, you must have stop loss. And if the stop loss is it, don't feel bad. It is good for you, and then you can move on from that. So, without goals, strategies, or stop loss orders, you are at the mercy of the market's wild swings. The solution to this is develop a trading plan, define your investment capital. Never use more than what you can afford to lose. Set a target on your return on investment, then plan entry and exit points based on technical or fundamental or even sentimental analysis. Then use stop losses and also use take profits. Please and please, this cannot be overemphasized. Then you are overtrading. This can be another reason why you are making losses. Overtrading can cost you a lot. Overtrading often stems from impatience or greed. It includes constantly opening new positions, jumping between coins too quickly, then trading during low volume or unpredictable times. This behavior increases your exposure to volatility and fees and leading to more losses. What is the solution to this? Focus on quality over quantity. Trade only when high probability setups arise. Learn to wait for confirmations. Sometimes doing nothing is a smart move. In fact, placing a trade, a buy trade is a trade. Placing a sell trade is a trade. Not placing buy or sell also is a position. So there are three positions: buy, sell, and not buying and not selling. So if you don't buy, you don't sell, you won't lose your capital. So focus on quality over this, and doing nothing sometimes is a smart move. Number four, you are ignoring risk management. One bad trade shouldn't wipe out your entire portfolio, but for many, it does. Signs of poor risk management include investing too much in a single coin, not using stop losses, going all in based on a tip or trend. What is the solution to this? Apply the 1 to 2% rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Diversify across coins and strategies. Then always protect your downside. Number 5, you are emotionally attached to coins. Many traders fall in love with a coin, refusing to sell even as it plummets. This emotional bias leads to holding losers for too long and missing better opportunities. Solution: detach your emotions. Be willing to cut losses early and re-enter the market later. So when you are making a loss, cut it early. Then you can re-strategize and re-enter the market later, and you get maybe 10 times or 5 times or 3 times of what you lost initially. The market doesn't care about your loyalty. It only cares about your strategy. Number 6, you lack education in technical and fundamental analysis. Without understanding charts, trends, volume, indicators, or project fundamentals, you are simply guessing, and in crypto, guessing is expensive. So, solution to this is invest in your knowledge. Learn technical analysis, candlestick pattern, RSI, MACD, trend lines, fundamental analysis, white papers, use cases and partnerships. So if you want me to provide you with all these technical analysis, to make video on technical analysis, fundamental analysis on this channel, let me know in the comment section below. I've made some of those videos and I see that it's not getting sufficient views. But if you make special demand, just because of only you, I am going to make such videos talking about the different kind of candlestick patterns, RSI, MACD, trend lines, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands, and many more, and stochastics, and many more. I'm going to do them. I'm going to talking about fundamental analysis also, if you make that demand. Then also consider on-chain metrics, wallet activity, token supply, and then staking. You can use tools like TradingView, CoinMarketCap, Messari, and Glassnode to be able to view all some of these things. Then another reason why you're losing money is because you are not adapting to market conditions. Crypto markets go through cycles. We have the bullish, you have the bearish, and we have the sideways. What worked in a bull market may cause losses in a bear market. So what is the solution? Adapt a strategy in a bear market. Consider shorting or trading stablecoins pairs, staking or earning passive income. I've done videos about staking. So just put my name on the YouTube chat sidebar and type in staking. It will show you these videos I've done on staking. Then focusing on long-term holding, strong assets. Then the 8th reason why you lose money in crypto is because you rely on luck over discipline. So luck does not do it. Luck may work once, but discipline wins consistently. If you've been taking trades based on hope or chance, the results will eventually catch up with you. So the solution: build a routine, journal your trades, and review both wins and losses. Improve continuously. Discipline and patience are your greatest trading assets. Now, before I go to the conclusion of this video, I must let you know that when you are losing in a trade, don't stop trading. When I mean don't stop trading, don't abandon trading for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years and then come back. When you are trading, look at why you are trading and you are losing and you are burning your account. Look at why you are burning your account, and then learn from that. Get some funds again and enter the market. You've learned, and then you continue. People have said that in the first 2 weeks, first 1 week, you may enjoy trading crypto. After 1 month, it will look as if it should run away. After 3 months, 6 months, you'll be losing some money, burn accounts. After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, if you are consistent, you become a guru, and everything you have lost on the market, you get it back. So fix the strategy, save your portfolio. If your crypto portfolio is bleeding, don't blame the market. Look at your strategy, habits, and decisions. Just yesterday, I was working with a machine in my office. This machine is called spectrophotometer. And I was to work with that machine at 260 nanometer. That is the UV ultraviolet range. And then we put the Mafala standard directly into the cuvette. We measure it, it showed us E1, error. And I asked people, I did this, I asked, nobody could give me a reason why. So I checked online somewhere, I saw different options that can cause it and what can be done. And I remembered, during my PhD, What we use 233 for benzoate, and I used 269 for phenol. And I remembered this thing was diluted, so I now went to check my thesis, and I saw that it was diluted to the ratio of 1 to 39. And we did that immediately. Everything worked out and everything went well. So what you're saying is that you need to review your strategy and your decisions. The same thing happens in the forex market. If you are missing out, you are failing. People are making it big in this market. So if you're not making it big, then your strategy is wrong. It is fault. It's not the spectrophotometer. The fault may be from your end. So that is what I have to tell you at this time. So are you planning or are you reacting? Are you learning or are you guessing? Are you building discipline or you are chasing quick gains? By making small changes like improving risk management, using proper analysis, and removing emotion, you can stop the bleeding and start building a profitable future in crypto. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. I'm telling you, learning is very, very important. Learning is very, very key. Invest time into learning and strategy and start implementing. So if you're a crypto trader, don't stop trading after a loss. Review what caused the loss and learn from that and move on to continue. After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you're going to make it. I learned from an individual who said these accounts, Profem account, that he lost about 40 Profem accounts before he began to become profitable. And when he became profitable, all the losses became history. Is able to enter into a higher realm. So if you persist and you are serious about learning, you too, you are going to be smiling. So watch this video over and over again and see everything I've said, and you are going to become profitable. My name is Dr. Olumide Adetun, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. If you watch my videos on this channel for 6 months and your life does not improve in the right direction, then bye-bye, say bye-bye to this channel, because that means I'm not sent to you. But I am sure I am sent to you by nature and by God. Now, what you need to do is draw a timeline. At the time you are seeing this video, I'm making this video by April ending. When you are seeing this video, write the timeline and give yourself a 6-month gap and just watch any of my videos in a particular niche, one per day, and take action on that one. If you do that for 6 months, I say take action. I didn't say just watch for watching sake. Take action on that one. And then if you take action after 6 months, you are going to become a millionaire. I'm telling you. And just remember me when that time comes. So I am sent to you. Please, this video is the next one you need to watch now. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this, share the link of this video with your family and friends on your social media pages, and keep coming back for more. I've made more than 1,000 videos that can help you. So drop your comment and question in the comment section below. Go ahead and watch this next video right